Dear friends, we were discussing about different factors connected with character formation. Now we are thinking about the creative level. Connected with creative level, we are focusing on one aspect now, that is regularity. For any creative development, what first of all what we need is regularity. So regularity is giving focus to two aspects, that is, one is an awareness of time, another is an awareness of duty. So we must be able to combine these two aspects regarding regularity. Awareness of time means we do everything based on time. So if we are supposed to do 8 hours job, our presence must be for 8 hours. So if our presence is only for 6 hours, then we cannot do the job well. For doing the job, we are supposed to fill the time properly. The time properly in the sense, each and every minute we must be alert in terms of doing our duty. There is an awareness of time. So we must reach the duty place at the proper time, do the duty at the proper time. So that is giving focus to time in our action. That is regularity. Regularity means we must be regular in reaching the place and doing the work. That is regularity. That is connected with time. There is an awareness of time. Then second is an awareness of duty. So our responsibility is not only to reach the place in time, at the same time our responsibility to do we are supposed to do. That is our duty. So for doing the duty, we need whatever knowledge is needed for the performance of duty. So if we don't have knowledge, what happens? We cannot fulfill the duty well. For the performance of the duty, what we need is, it's a timely action, and at the same time it must be wise action. So the timely action is possible by reaching the duty place at the proper time, and wise action, what we need is knowledge for doing a duty. So if the knowledge is absent, you cannot do it well. So for doing the duty well, we must have awareness of duty. That awareness of duty is happening only when we are wise in terms of achieving knowledge for doing the duty. So that is awareness of duty. So when we have awareness of duty and time, then we are following regularity. So regularity will enable us to fulfill our duties well. Regularity regarding time and regularity regarding duty. That's regularity. So we were talking about regularity now, and we will go to other factors later. So I thank God and Guru for enabling me to talk to you this, and I thank all of you for listening me. Thank you very much.